Guys, welcome to my new video. Today I want to talk about the MagSafe Wallet and why I think most reviews about it are actually wrong. Many people have reviewed this and said it was not worth it. It would just fall off when you put your iPhone in your pocket and stuff, but I actually think it's a good product, and if you're the right person, you should buy it. The first and main reason why I like this is it just enables me to carry less stuff with me. Okay, so to explain that to you, let me show you. My essentials to carry when I'm out of the house are usually keys, a wallet, and my phone. Most of the time I would put my phone in my one pocket, the wallet in the other one, and then the keys probably with the wallet or something. Because I thought that was a bit much, I actually upgraded to a slimmer wallet about 2 years ago, which was this secret wallet which could hold around 7 cards. So then my everyday carry would only be the slim wallet and the iPhone, which actually, if you can see, it comes very close to the MagSafe wallet attached to the iPhone. So why do I now love the MagSafe wallet so much? With this I can just slap it on and it becomes one piece that I have to carry. So whenever I go outside, I just grab my wallet, put it on the back of my iPhone, and just take that instead of thinking about, oh, okay, I put my wallet in this pocket, my phone in this pocket, and now I'm ready to go. So it reduces the risk of losing stuff, and it also makes it easier because I have one free pocket for AirPods, my keys, or stuff like that. Second, I think it also provides a great grip for the iPhone. So if you hold your phone like that, especially if you're using it naked, it just provides a better grip, but that's really not the biggest point for the wallet, because I think there's cases if you want better grip. The third point why I think it's worth it is actually because I think Apple, when they come out with a new technology like MagSafe now, they're gonna stick with it for a few years. So even though this is probably a little too expensive for what it is, it's still worth it to me because I think I can use it with the next iPhone and the iPhone after that, and probably even longer. You can be pretty sure that it's not gonna be outdated in a year or two. So who should actually buy this now? I think it's still true that some people shouldn't buy this, and I think it's actually a very narrow group of people that should buy it, because this only works if you can actually live with 3 cards in it. For me, I was down to 5 or 6 before, and it wasn't that hard to cut down 3 more, but if you're still kind of in that phase with the big wallet and you got tons of cards and cash and stuff, it's probably not worth it for you because you're not going to be able to use it. So ask yourself if you can actually live with 3 cards. For the issue with it falling off, I have to say it never happened to me. I have it for about 2 weeks now and it never happened. If you put your phone in your pocket like this, you automatically hold on to the wallet if you're carrying the wallet too. So that's really not an issue for me. It never fell off and I never lost it, and I think it's never gonna happen, because if you have your phone in your hand and put it in your pocket, then it's not gonna fall off. I mean, you're not putting your phone in your pocket like this, just waiting for the wallet to fall off. So that's really a non-issue for me. Okay, if you found my video useful and I helped you decide on whether or not you should buy the MagSafe wallet, please comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. That will really help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.